Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Tunisian giants Esperance de Tunis have announced the signing of Lucas Ribeiro Costa on a 3-year deal until June 2029. Here is a statement that Esperance de Tunis have released. It says, Ribeiro finally joins Esperance. The summer saga has finally reached its conclusion after keeping club officials, fans and the media on tender hooks for several weeks. The Lucas Ribeiro saga came to an end today. The Brazilian striker is officially an Esperance player. He has signed a 3-year contract running until June 2029. Aged 27, Lucas William Ribeiro Costa arrives with a wealth of experience already on his plate. Having played in Europe, notably in France and Belgium, it was primarily with Mamelodi Sundowns that he truly made his mark, giving a new dimension to his career. His arrival in Tunis, however, was anything but smooth sailing. Ribeiro had previously signed a pre-contract with Libyan club Al Ittihad. To secure the player's services, Esperance de Tunis management had to negotiate for several weeks and reached an agreement with their Libyan counterparts. This deal required patience and above all a great deal of behind-the-scenes work. The agreement finally reached allowed Ribeiro to take over at Esperance. In return, Al Ittihad benefited from the transfer of the young Burkinabe winger Jack Pantoulou Diarra, as well as the arrival of volleyball player Khalid Ben Slimani. After several weeks of waiting and few twists and turns, this time it's official. Lucas Ribeiro is now a sang et or, in brackets, blood and gold. Welcome to Esperance, Lucas. That's the statement from Esperance de Tunis as they announced the arrival of Lucas Ribeiro to the team. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Lucas Ribeiro joining Esperance de Tunis from Libyan giants Al Ittihad? Remember, Lucas Ribeiro left Mamelodi Sundowns at the beginning of last season after he said that the club denied him a transfer to Fluminense in Brazil or Qatar SC in Qatar. And he declared himself as a free agent and he signed with Cultural Leonesa in Spain. However, things didn't go according to plan in Spain, where he spent a single season with Cultural Leonesa and the team got relegated at the end of the season and he was released. He scored 6 goals and 2 assists in 31 games. However, at Mamelodi Sundowns, he scored 37 goals and 23 assists, which is 60 goal contributions in just 88 matches. At Mamelodi Sundowns, he was at another level. He won PSL Footballer of the Season, Betway Premiership Players Player of the Season, Betway Premiership Top Goal Scorer, Betway Premiership Goal of the Season, including Goal of the Tournament at the 2025 FIFA Club World Cup. Lucas Ribeiro was something else just before he left Mamelodi Sundowns, and he will hope that his move to Esperance de Tunis will help him to rediscover that form once again. It means Al Ittihad made a profit without Lucas Ribeiro even playing a single game for them. He signed with them when Rhulani Mokoena was still the coach to reunite with his former coach. However, when Rhulani Mokoena left, it seemed like Lucas Ribeiro didn't want to stay at Al Ittihad anymore, and now they are selling him without even kicking the ball. So they made a quite significant profit for a player who hasn't played for them. And also, there are reports that he's going to be earning around 1.6 million rands a month, which is about 100,000 US dollars monthly. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this transfer? Because remember, the case between him and Mamelodi Sundowns, it's not over. It is still ongoing. We're still waiting for the outcome of that case. We'll see who will win when it comes to that matter. And should Lucas Ribeiro win, I think everything will just continue as it is right now. However, if Mamelodi Sundowns win that case, it's going to get very complicated for Lucas Ribeiro. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.